brought you a beer. I don't know if your diet allows it though.
Oh, thank you. I got something in the fridge as well. I was like, what's the bet? He's got his GoPro or something with it.
Oh, I love these wheels so much. First drive, huh?
Yeah. With the new motor.
This is a Matt Russell special.
Yeah.
It's probably gonna blow up.
Look, we all have our fingers and toes crossed. I'm pretty sure Matt as well.
I can hope so, Matt.
No, it should be so.
What do you have to do?
I'm just... I forgot that I left 2 bell housing bolts off.
Are they top ones?
Nah, bottom.
Oh, I was gonna say top ones don't matter. No one puts top bell housing bolts in, mate.
You can't see those.
Yeah.
No, just...
When was the last time you drove this car?
14 months ago. 20 minutes.
So this is Pecky's old shell, yes? Is that correct?
Yeah.
Is this because you don't have like an airbox and an intake pipe on it?
Yeah. It's actually better to get a reading from there than inside the cockpit. Because it's a false reading when it's inside of it.
It's good, it's not fucking super. Feeling awkward?
Nah, not at all.
Who did all this stuff?
Jake. That was Axel's dad. Jake did this.
Who's got better welds? Alright, so pump it up. Does it get hard at all?
Nah, not yet.
No? Alright, hold it down. Alright, pump it up. Pump.
Much fluid come out.
Yeah, heaps. Hold. Whoa! We got a squirter. Alright, pump it up. Oh, much easier. I've never seen a front caliper like that. Probably doing it wrong. Hold.
Yeah.
Pump. Hold. Pump. Oh, it's gonna do a fucking burnout.
Now I need a clutch.
Where's the slave on these?
Right here. On the box.
Oh, so it was in there.
That'd be easy, yeah?
Ooh.
You gonna see it?
Oh, fuck, I'm going the complete wrong area. Oh, hey, there it is. Hold. Yeah. Ooh. Damn, girl. Pump. Ooh. Pump. Hold. That's it. So this will be the first drive. Literally the first drive. Oh my god. Where are you going to drive with these sick rego?
I'm gonna play this.
Sick, man. Hey, 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 hey. Are they talked up to the workshop manual?
Yeah.
Grouse. Fuck's this engine from? Motorbike?
No, that's my forage.
What? This little thing?
Yeah.
What the hell? I've done farts bigger than that. Ah, the old stuck on the lip, huh? Wow, wait. Is there any wiring? Yes. Is there a plug in here?
Yes,
There it is. Oh, alright. Why the fuck did we do that from the start? Alright. How do you feel about your first drive? Tell Australia and the 2 subs I have from like New Zealand.
Pretty excited but nervous.
Goddamn! Are you concerned that the engine might fall out of the engine bay on this test drive? Yeah, me too. Fuck, that's a good looking engine bay, man. So, I'm going to tell everyone the story of why this car has a new engine. So, at Winton, first day of doing this beam swap into this car, the engine spun a bearing. Fucking, you would be devastated. Anyway, so new engine. This is first drive, literally first drive. So we'll see how it goes. Oh my god, we're moving. Sting rotary. Than it was in your garage.
Everything looks good. Still there.
How do you feel about your first drive?
Really good.
Is it like going past Go Monopoly when you get that 200 bucks?
Yeah, pretty much. Probably even better.
What a good looking car, man. So you lost the center cap on your drive. Oh my god. You are so lucky. You are so lucky.
I might even put maybe some black tape around it.
Just fucking glue it on there.
But if I need to balance them again.
Well, wait. What's next?
Sleep.
For the car.
Tune. And then we'll go Winton or Calder, I reckon.
Well, we called it drags. You heard it here. Right, so that was actually a spur of the moment video. I wasn't planning to do a video today or anything, but Jake called to come and do the brakes and clutch in that car so he could drive for the first time in forever. So I'm pretty pumped for him. I love that car so much. It's perfectly styled, perfect wheel, body, color, everything combo. Sick running gear for that car. Tell me in the comments whether you would like a full video on that car, and maybe we can G up Jake to let us do something with that car with his permission maybe. Anyway, see you next video.